Maybe I shouldn't call you or leave a message at all.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I thought I would clean out my pantry today and do my fridge also, if I can find somewhere to put you. So yeah, I thought I might as well film it because I'm doing it anyway. So yeah, I'm going to start by taking everything out, putting it on the bench behind me, and then yeah, and cleaning it all out and re-sorting it because I don't know if you can see. It is a total, hang on, it is a total disaster. So this is what we're working with today. It is absolutely filthy, so I'm going to take everything out, spray it all down, and then reorganise it. So yeah, let's go.
So I try to be patient, 'cause nothing's written on the wall. Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did, love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light. Found someone who is just as crazy as me, or is it just in my mind? Yeah, it's too soon to mention how I've begun to feel that I want your attention. This time it is for real. Oh baby.
So I've just emptied everything out. This is what we have to work with. Sprayed it all down, cleaned it all out. So this is what the aftermath looks like. So yeah, I'm going to try and get it a bit organised now, put stuff into containers and stuff like that and put it back in. And yeah.
Baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did, love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night. Come back to my place, we can dance the night away. My heart is screaming out for you. I want you here with me so that everything will be as good as they were last night. Oh baby, love me like you did last night. I wanna hold you till the morning comes. Oh baby, love me like you did, love me like you did. Oh baby, kiss me till I see the light, like you did last night. Like you did last night.
Say something meaningful, say something I don't know. I wanna know you better. The way that you talk to me, the way that you make me feel, I don't know if you're real. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful.
I got cans up there. It's looking so much better than what I did. Jars. And then like all my recipes for like making stuff and stuff. This little drawer thing was from Kmart, I believe. Then I got this from Red Dot to hold all of our noodles in. Then all of our pasta, you know, jar stuff, and then the kids' snack boxes down there where they can reach them. And then cereal and veggies down there. What are you doing? What do you got? Got ice cream. Not bad for 9 o'clock in the morning, is it? No. Okay. Alright, so we'll move on to the fridge now. I might take a little bit of a break because my camera actually needs charging. So yeah, I'll see you when we do our fridge.
I'll sing until my lungs give out you're beautiful. I'm going crazy. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna hold you close, don't wanna take it slow. Oh, I just want you now. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night. Put you in that spotlight. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh, you make me feel right. Wanna look at you all night. Wanna put you in that spotlight. Oh, you know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. And it's like you're untouchable. Like you're untouchable. Don't you know? You know you're beautiful. You know you're beautiful. I'll sing until my lungs give out you're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. You're beautiful. Baby, you're beautiful. I wanna put you in that spotlight, looking at you all night.
Okay guys, so I've just scrubbed it. This is how it looks. This is all the stuff that needs to go back. So are you ready to see some YouTube magic? Ready? Oh, I gotta love me some YouTube magic. So on the top shelf we just got our milk, butter, eggs and our water bottles. The second shelf is for the kids, so they've got yogurts and like juice boxes there. Got leftovers on the third shelf, and then fruits and veggies down the bottom, and then all of our condiments on the side. So yeah, pretty happy with how that turned out. Okay guys, so thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys!